Cordial greetings to and colleagues. My name is Javier Orlando Cortés Niño, student Business Administration, University UNAD, and I will make my comments on the subject of technology and its effects on the environment. It is important to note that men have reached an important stage of the development, and it thanks to the advancement in technology. Advancements that they help to minimize times and cut distance. Unfortunately, this advance do not go hand in hand with caring for one planet, and it may be that we are paying too high a price when trying to evolve technology. At this time, environment pollution has reached levels that have already become dangerous, not only for the space, but also for the human being himself. This was the reason we deleted one sent to the United Nations. This is later sent to Mr. Antonio Gutierrez. Try to raise our ranks and set a precedent in the regard. We are the right time to create action plans and put them into practice and cause slowing the destruction effects caused to our nature. It is time to do our bit, so that each nation includes in the government policy, norms and use the protect on planet, and in favor and recovery of the environment on planet. Thanks a lot.